Brigham Young University, a unique biosphere where competition is fierce in both the fight for a mate and for academic prowess. The library, at the core of this unusually homogeneous habitat, hides the pinnacle of student and employee perfection, as well as some of nature's most fascinating interactions. The 5th floor is home to a portion of the 157.716 kilometer of shelving this library cultivates, as well as the popular Turkish teen dramas of our day. A younger student approaches an employee. Her timid nature indicates the unfamiliarity she feels with the new environment. Clearly, a Pygmaeus freshmanicus.
Hi.
Hello?
I need help finding sources for my research paper in biology.
Environmental science and general science is located on the 2nd floor. If you go down the stairs and around the corner, should be right there.
Okay, thanks.
The employee offers minimal help and seems unenthusiastic about the student's biology paper. The student, like a duckling left by its mother, is left to traverse the precipice of books all on her own. There are ample opportunities for such interactions, with over 10,000 patrons entering the building each day, the most of any building in the whole world. Another student attempts to solicit help from an employee.
Hello.
Hi, I need help finding sources for my research paper in biology.
I'd be happy to help you. We have a large science selection available upstairs, as well as online services. What exactly are you looking for?
I need 5 sources on the differences in cell structures in plants and animals.
All right, well, let me show you how to use the online service guide, and then we can get a call number of a few books that we have located here in the library.
Thanks for your help.
The employee's demeanor indicates a friendly attitude. She turns to technology, one of nature's most artificial wonders, to assist the student. The circle of life uninterrupted. An unfortunate case of one particularly savage specimen. Likely a combination of academic exhaustion, scholastic weariness, and educational expenditure forces this student to revert back to his most primal of instincts. Another student, like the first two, approaches the reference desk of a library employee.
Hi.
Hey, how can I help you today?
I need help finding sources for my research paper in biology.
I would love to help you out. My name is Isabel, by the way. So what kind of sources do you need, and what's the subject of your paper?
I need 3 peer-reviewed sources and 2 online sources, and I'm writing about the differences in cell structures between animals and plants.
Great. Okay, let me show you the online research guide, which gives you a list of relevant resources that you can use to find material for your research. Database is listed here. Will help you find scholarly articles about your topic. Have you ever used these guides before?
No, I haven't even heard of them before.
That's totally fine. They're a great place to start. Let me show you. So this database here is a good one to use because it allows you to use Boolean operators and certain filters to help refine your search.
The employee takes the student under her wing. This interaction is a clear example of the mutualism that exists between employees and students. As employees assist students, the world becomes a better place.
So that is the online research guide. Now, if you want, I can take you to our section on plant and animal biology, so we can find a few books there that I'm sure will help you out.
The employee flashes a beautiful set of incisors and canines to the patron. Such a display of teeth sends positive signals of trust and friendship that cannot be mistaken. The library, with its grandiose and complex bibliosphere, continues to be the place with the most nutritious water fountains.